What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Max City here. So today I'm with my homies, and we had just decided we're gonna have a few shoots today, and also a show shooting. But firstly, before I go anywhere, I just want to say thank you for everyone who love and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And we're just gonna interview each other today about our cars. So yeah, I'm driving the MK1.
Hi, I'm Eugene. I'm driving also MK1 Golf, City Golf 2002 spec.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm JD and I drive the Polo Classic 2002 1.6i uit Wielf.
Ik is Eugene, I'm bekend van mij Chino. Ik rijd die mooi Golf 1, Mark 1. Wat ik nou recently gedaan heb op die kar is, kar ik recently van respray af. Ik heb coilovers ingezet. Ik heb 165 50 tires voorop. 165, 175 50 profiles achter. Daar is nog bij wat ik aan die wil doen. Ik heb 1.4 motor binnenin. Light flying wheel is light and fly. Daar is nog bij wat ik wil doen aan die kar, maar die is met daily. En zover als ik bij je gelukkig, hoeveel ik nou gekomen heb op die karse updates.
Ja, julle en soos ek gesê het, ek is JD en dis my Polo Classic 1.6i uit Wielf 2002. Ek het nou seker die kar sê maar oor 'n jaar. Ja, en wat ek al gedoen het op die kar is die wiele. Dis al nou al my 10de set wiele hier op. Ek change wiele man. Baie en Shell. Sien julle so ja. Ek het wiele gechange, kar geservice, exhaust opgesit, sleeve overs en basically cut springs ja. Maar ja, hy was al in 'n polish ook al. Maar ja, daar's nog baie future plans. My future plans is om obviously coilovers in te sit, 'n sunroof op te sit en 'n 2-liter engine in te sit. Maar ja, that's it guys.
So I'm having the MK1, the white one. I had this car almost for 3 years, if I'm not mistaken. 2 years under construction, and 1 year he totally drove. Car has been standing for 9 years, and I couldn't get the car started. So now, the spicy part is I'm running a 2-liter 8 valve, decent stock. So yeah, stay tuned for more. Other than that, cutting springs in front, lowering springs at the back, nose down, ass up, as they say. You go lachen, hey man, maybe. So, so ja, is een beetje zwaar. Ik en die man net nou al, als jullie nou wat dag die vlog gaat zien, dan ga jullie zien hoe die mannen gestoord het, jong. Die man is moe gestoord mee, bro. Die man is stoord die hele dag. So guys, any modifications on the car, I still need to put lowering kit in, service the motor over, and doing a respray maybe, and then that is that. So yeah, so as you also notice, two beautiful folks wagon, as they say. This guys is really showing up, so, and they're looking very very neatly after their cars. So other than that, you have seen our vlog today. Also, we were very very up to standard. But we will have a little bit of rolls, and then we will end this video off very very nice for the day. Was week vanaf het ons begonnen week van 7 o'clock na? 7 o'clock was ons al bezig. 7 till 5 so. En mensen kunnen nog het in nachts komen tot je voor haar zo. Yo, dag met ons. But yeah, guys, you have seen the beautiful cars. You will see more content that's been dropping now. Stay tuned. And we're having the main man also. You come say hi to the vlog, man. Ahoy, kom hey, bro.
Right way, bro.
Say hello, die mensen.
Good afternoon, everyone. Ja, ek is die main man nie. Ek is Mr. Speed Ride. En het zijn nie wie nou ons is by die PG. Boundless Generosity. In jou bos, op jou bos.
Net zo. We over and we out. Safe, hier is die mensen. Behind the scenes.